So this is a triple Venn diagram, and I think most of the time would go in writing out the different areas. So 28 is this entire circle, people who subscribe to newspaper Q. Usually I put the total number outside the circle, and then this is R, and then here we have 12. And then we're given these overlaps here. 7 subscribe to both Q and R. So that would be, I wish I could use different colors. Of course, you can't do that in the exam. And then we have 8 subscribe to Q and S. So that would be this region here, and then 9 to both R and S. And then, of course, we have this entire circle. We're given that there's a total of 45 people, 45 households. And they tell us that the number of households who subscribe to all 3 newspapers, which is this overlap here of all 3, is equal to the number of households who subscribe to none of these 3, right? So this is the outside region. They further tell you that 39 of the households subscribe to at least one of the 3 newspapers, which means this entire region, which is going to consist of people who subscribe to one newspaper would be here, person subscribed to 2, and then 3. So this entire region collectively adds up to 39. So if I add 39 to X, which is people who subscribe to neither, that must add up to 45, which means X is 6. So I know my X value, and then the question is, how many households subscribe to only one of the newspapers? So I can compute these regions. If this overlap of the 3 regions is 6, then that's only 1 here, because that total is 7. And then this is 8, so this would be 2. And then this one finally would be 3. So to calculate these regions, I'm just going to subtract from 28 these 3 added up, 1 and 6, 7, and 2, 9. So that's going to be 19. And then I do the same thing here for this S category. So 2 plus 6, 8, and 3, 11, subtracted from 12. That's 1. And then here we have 3, 6, 9, 10, subtracted from 7. So that's 7. And if I add these up, I get 27, which is choice C. So, I mean, of course, doing this in the exam conditions can get messy and stressful. So you just have to somehow make sure your diagram is clear enough that, you know, you're not making any computational mistakes. So to summarize, the answer is C.